Let's learn how to enable easy mute option. You can mute your incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. That is very important feature to us. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. Click on motions and gestures. You can enable this turn over to mute option. Now, when you're receiving incoming calls or ringing alarms, you can turn your phone face down after they are going to mute. I think this is very good feature to you.